Hey, okay, so I'm recording right now. I am trolling my friend with this animal called Crust Lover, and that's kind of her name. So, and she's getting so scared of it, and it's funny. So this is the animal. Hello. So you can enjoy the troll. You can listen to her reactions. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so what's going on? Shelby.
Give me a soda. I'm scared.
Oh, there you are. I couldn't hear you by then.
Oh, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
He's saying hi, but I'm scared it's going to come next. Can you give me a soda? Whatever. You know the non-member thing, how they can do the smiley faces with the heart?
Yeah?
He did that. I'm giving him soda right now, so I can't see what he's doing.
Okay.
But I am now. Ow. Ow. Now I can see what he's doing.
Okay. Okay.
Let's see what he's doing now. He's in front of me.
Stop, Brayden, stop. Stop. Okay.
Yeah. He did, yeah.
Hold on, I'm coming to
You
you.
can use it. You can't have my Navi. Maybe for Christmas. What? I'm
coming.
Go
Oh, I accidentally went down the slide. Okay, I'm coming up right now.
I'm going down the slide.
Okay, I'm waiting by you by the fire.
I don't want him to come near me. I don't want him to come near me. I'm gonna hide. No, he found me. I don't want him. I'm good.
Okay, hold on. Okay, where are you?
You can't hide.
I'm coming. Where'd you go?
I'm hiding behind the bush.
Oh.
Hide in the bush. I don't know where he is. Don't tell him where I am.
Okay.
I don't know who he is.
Hold on, let me ask him who he is.
Stalker. Hey, who did Choco? Who did that? I swear, if it's you, Allie. No, you did that. Hey, Brayden.
Whoa.
How many animals is Allie playing on? One. One? Yeah. Holy cow. Now I believe it's her. Holy cow? Ask him more questions. What? Ask him some more questions. Like, ask him if he's a boy or a girl. A girl. A girl? I was a girl.
Brayden's just guessing. I don't know who that is. Hold on, ask him.
I'm a boy. Ask him
You
if
see-
he's a boy or girl.
Sorry.
Tattoo.
Okay.
I did like.
I don't know.
Oh man. He's probably a boy. Boy. I'm a boy. Ask him if his favorite color is blue. Blue? Because that's my favorite color is turquoise, but my favorite color is turquoise. Oh my god. Ask him if his favorite color is. Ask him if he knows my favorite color. Blue. My favorite color is turquoise. Cheetos. You just say Cheetos. No. Hopefully he doesn't. Hey, Chubby. Major. Oh my god, me all of us. That's the. How does he know? Ask him if he knows who I. Ask him if he knows my fur color. I know it. Ask him why does he have the same fur color as me. I don't. Ask him why do you have the same fur color as her.
Okay, I'm asking. Stop, Brayden.
Because he does. Like it looks like. But instead of the gray, it's like light gray, and then instead of the light gray, it's dark. But the tail is right. Should I just say gross? I need my weapon. Up you. This looks like dead dog. Ask him some more questions. No girl eyes. Are those girl eyes?
Hold on, let me check. Let me look on his player card. Nope, those are boy eyes.
Record.
What?
Record. Boom.
I'm uploading a video, so it's not gonna let me record.
Like how? What is the percentage at it?
It's at.
No. Keep it there. He's on when it's fine.
Huh?
Hold on. I keep it there.
Get it, Moose.
Oh, you're uploading a video?
Yeah.
I saw this video. Of course, you just uploaded it. It was uploaded a while ago. New update and corn made. Watch out.
Oh, you saw that one? Yeah, I was making that one. But I was uploading this other video about hold on. I was trying to make a music video. Well, no. Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, no, it wasn't a music video. I'm forgetting stuff. It was just a little bit of Animal Jam gameplay. I'm gonna put a necklace on my tree.
Ask him who he is, or ask him. Ask him more questions.
You traded me out. Oh. Ugh. She's like, ugh.
What?
He traded me.
Traded you what?
This hamster thing for a black necklace. It's probably over. Stop, Brayden!
Should I just come out?
Yeah, he's sure. I don't care.
No, how about you and him, like, just, he's in my den.
Flops pixie wings. Did you just say flops?
No, that's not me.
I'm just like, what is that? I'm going to your den. Ew!
What?
He just said that your den is nice, just like your eyes.
How does he know my... Ask him if he knows what color my eyes are. Because my eyes are blue. I go in there. Don't buzz away.
Do you see what he just said?
Yeah, I'm looking at the chat. I'm hiding and I'm looking at the chat. I'm not telling you where I'm hiding. Come on. Ask him if he knows what grade I'm in. I just got a tour out of there.
It's not letting me say it. Hold on. What? It's not letting me say it.
Then ask him, how does he know me? He's ninja like me. Oh, nice. Could it be?
Could it be? Who? Who could it be?
Me.
Brain stop. Who could it be?
I'll send you it. Oh,
Okay. Shelby?
What? Shelby?